Today we're at the wonderful Forest Museum, British Columbia, and yeah, it's going to be a fun day. They've got a live working steam train here, and it's also vintage truck day, I think it is as well. So just going to show you this fantastic locomotive they've got up on the bank as you come into the car park. They've got a wonderful shed here. I love that sound. And a good old Dodge, 1948, American LaFrance pump truck. Because obviously forest fires are not a new thing, they've been around for a long time. And we've got what looks like a steam-powered logging crane here, which has been made up with logs. The A-frame's been made up with logs, and block and tackle put up on there. And obviously it has a hook on the end that you can use to pick up the tree trunks, and obviously put them on the rail car for transporting. Got all these amazing vintage machines here that would have been used in the forest for processing the trees, moving them from A to B, clearing the ground afterwards to level it off. Very old machines. Got a very old Caterpillar. '60. It's a big crawler. And who doesn't like a truck? Especially an American one. Beautiful GMC pickup there. I really love that. Right, now this is what you call a truck. I mean, I can't stress to you how big this truck is. A Hayes K37 logging truck. It's in pretty good condition as well. But look at that massive great trailer to take the logs. Peterbilt truck there, and that's 1991, so that's a newer one. But I love them, a lot of style there, a lot of chrome. Here's a 1965 Hayes. I think it's a little bit smaller than the other one we just looked at. And this looks like it's just rolled out the factory. It's a Pacific, and it's 1951. And I don't suppose you see many of these around anymore. What a fantastic piece of engineering. I cannot stress the size of these trucks. They're pretty amazing. I mean, I'm 6'2", and the truck bonnet is taller than me. That's how big they are. I just love these Kenwood trucks. This one behind me, 1962, and it reminds me of the kind of truck used in a film called Jewel with Dennis Weaver, where a salesman overtakes a big truck like this in his little sedan, and then the truck tries to kill him. Bit of a horror film, great road movie, check it out. I won't tell you how it ends, but if I could take this home with me, I would. But somehow I don't think it's going to fit on the aeroplane. Right, it's time to get on the train and get on this wonderful logging steam train here. It's a wonderful old steam engine, that. Okay, we're going to look at the old logging town now. This is what you call a loco. That's just amazing. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, you'll always find a barn full of old farm machinery. So it's like welcome home. Well, although logging is controversial nowadays, back 100 years ago it was essential for life, because you needed firewood, you needed a roof over your head, log cabins, timber was used for everything. So it's a very important part of the history, especially of places like Canada. And of course now it's managed properly, you know, new forests are being planted. So I think the future of the forest is bright here. There's certainly a lot of it. What a fantastic day here at the British Columbia Forestry Discovery Centre. So much to learn about. Steam trains, vintage trucks, logging equipment, farming equipment, the logging town. It's a fantastic place near the town of Duncan, British Columbia, Canada. If you're in this neighbourhood, check it out.